Good morning, skiers and riders. It's Devin here, bringing you your Wednesday morning, December 11th, Wachusett Mountain Snow Report update. Say goodbye to rainy days and hello to powder. Mother Nature blessed us last night with 6 inches of fresh snow across all of our trails. The perfect way to recover from those rainy day blues is to get out here and enjoy it. No need to worry about our conditions. Here at Wachusett Mountain, our machine-made snow holds up awesome despite the rain. Did you know that 4 inches of our machine-made snow has the same water content as 10 inches of natural snow? That's 2.5 times more water. And this means that when it freezes, our machine-made snow is a lot more dense and holds up a lot longer. So while the snow might have melted in your front yard yesterday, the snow at Wachusett is here to stay. The more you know. We have 16 trails open today, serviced by 5 lifts, and temperatures ranging from 15 to 30 degrees, so make sure to bundle up. Our hours of operation today are from 9 a.m. to 8 p.m., and for you night owls out there, our hours will extend to 10 p.m. after Christmas. Make sure to get any last tricks in on our mini park set up on Challenger, because rumor has it the official park will be headed to Hitchcock real soon. We have some awesome events coming up here, including our Wachusett Brewery Tapiversary on Friday, December 13th. Join Wachusett Brewery in celebrating the anniversary of their very first pour here with some skiing, live music, and friends. Also, if you're an avid ski racer, make sure to come on down December 17th for the NASTAR Open House. For more details on these upcoming events, check out Wachusett.com. That's all for today. Make sure to check us out on all of our social media, and I hope you have a wonderful Wednesday at Wachusett.